it's your bath time. Hi guys, and today I'm going to be giving my dog, Leo, a bath. Let's go. This is the shampoo we're using. It actually works pretty good. That's his hair. So, yeah, let's get into the video. Hey Leo, it's your bath time. You're wet. You want to go out, don't you? Don't you? It'll be only for a second. Stop running away. Go take your bath. Shampoo time. I know. You really want to get out. But look, your hair will be super fluffy. And better smelling. I think he's scared. I'm not sure. Oh my god, he's so skinny. He looked so fluffy and now he looks so skinny.
Yes.
And he looks like super, look at his head. And then look at his body, it's just super small. And his tail. He wants to chew the shower head. Leo, tell him to go down.
Leo, sit.
Oh my god, he looks so small. Okay, he's getting bigger. His head is just the opposite of his body. Literally. How skinny is that and how big is his fluffy and his head is.
Leo, I don't even know what I'm doing, Leo. Just get your bath and get up. Leo. Hey, buddy. I don't know which legs I have done. I don't know which legs I have to do.
He looks like a human being. Literally. Oh my gosh, his hair. Guys, his hair. If you have a dog like this, if you have a golden doodle, this is probably what he'll probably look like once he takes the bath. His hair, his whole body will be super skinny and his head's just fluffy. You cannot like put soap or water in his eyes because it will hurt. So you don't really want to do his face when taking a bath for your dog, not you. Oh, you forgot to take off the collar? He just wants to run away. He doesn't want to properly take a bath. He just wants to run away and play. He's pawing at the door. I want to be free. Let me be free. There we go. Now he's just gotten skinny. Literally so skinny. He's scared of the water now. Oh my god, his legs look so bony. If you ever get a dog, this is what's gonna happen. Because dogs will not, like dogs have a lot of hair, more than body and meat and bones, so yeah. And he is actually struggling and trying so hard not to cry, but inside I think he's crying. I want this to end. Good boy. It's over. It's almost over. Oh my god, the shower head's going out of control. Oh yeah, get the dirt off his face. There's actually dirt on his face if you can't see. It's been there for weeks and weeks and weeks, even though we only had him for 4 weeks. It's only been there for 2 weeks. And we can't even get them off. Okay.
I try to wash off your eyes. I try to wash off this dirty in your eyes.
Okay. We're almost done, Leo. Okay, you're done. Come on. Okay, Leo, your bath time is over. How do you feel? Okay, I guess you just want to play with the towel. Okay. Okay. You just want to play with the towel? Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to never miss one of my videos. And also, guys, if you have hate comments, please don't write them. Keep them to yourselves. But if you have feedback, any feedback is okay. And thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.